4 things you should take note while sending your kids for a piano lesson. Lots of piano teachers out there. So how do you find a suitable piano teacher for our kids? The easiest way is to try a child class with a teacher, as the chemistry between the kids and the teacher is so important than anything. Don't just look for a teacher with the highest qualification, but for a teacher that has passion and patience in teaching the piano. Not all pianists are able to teach well, and not all piano teachers can play well, but they should be able to play anything, sight read a piece in just a second. Once you have found a better teacher, are you willing to travel to the school or teacher's house for the lesson? You know, in Singapore, the most it takes from east to west is just 30-minute drive. If you are not willing to travel, look for a teacher who can teach at your house. Do note that your house may not be the best place for learning. Don't go for the lowest or the most expensive piano fee. The range in Singapore for piano lesson is between 120 to 250 money. Good things don't come cheap. Cheap things may not have the quality. As I say it, don't go for those highest one. Take on the average one, perhaps 160 or 180, which is the good start. What kind of syllabus are they using? Are they using their own syllabus or a syllabus that is proven by students? Find a school or a teacher using a syllabus like books instead of papers, so that students are able to follow one step at a time. I'm sure everyone who purchased something will look for and read their reviews on social medias or Google, but don't over-rely on the reviews, as there are so many fake and paid reviews. The best thing is to see their student playing. Did you see any piano progress of other students? If yes, then you can consider. I'm Mr. Mo. If you think this video is helpful, do consider to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.